Most people shop online or in-store and completely miss out on free money sitting right in front of them. Here's the truth no one tells you. Cashback is not complicated, but most shoppers never set it up correctly. Quick promise. In this video you'll learn exactly how to get cashback at the Walmart in 2026, how to activate it step by step, and how to make sure you never miss savings again, whether you shop online or in-store. Let's start with the simplest method. Walmart cashback can come from multiple sources: in-store checkout, cashback, card rewards, cashback apps, and Walmart's own savings features through its app and membership systems. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most people only think of cashback at the register, but that is actually the smallest source of savings. Step 1 is understanding in-store cashback. When you pay with a debit card at Walmart, you can often request cash back during checkout. The cashier asks if you want cash back, and you choose an amount. It comes directly from your debit account. Simple, but not a reward program. Step 2 is credit card cash back. This is where real savings happen. If you use a rewards credit card, you can earn a percentage back on every Walmart purchase. For example, Jake buys groceries and gets 2% back automatically on his statement. That adds up over time. But here's the problem most people face. They use the wrong payment method and leave rewards on the table every single time. Step 3 is cashback apps and extensions. Apps like Rakuten or similar services often offer Walmart deals when you shop online. You activate the offer before checkout, and the cashback is tracked automatically after purchase. Step 4 is Walmart app savings. Inside the Walmart app, you will sometimes find digital coupons or targeted offers. These can stack with other savings depending on the promotion. That means you can combine discounts and cashback if done correctly. Step 5 is online shopping cashback. When you shop on the Walmart website, always check for promo links or cashback portals before you check out. If you skip this step, you are literally paying full price. Now imagine this real scenario. Alex shops for electronics, uses a standard debit card, and checks out normally. No rewards, no cashback apps, no offers activated. He misses out on money he could have saved in under 1 minute of setup. Step 6 is stacking safely. This is where advanced users save the most. You can combine credit card rewards with cashback portals and Walmart offers, as long as the terms allow it. But always check rules carefully. Here is the key takeaway. Walmart cashback is not one trick. It is a system. Payment method, app offers, and cashback platforms all work together. If you remember one thing, it is this. You do not earn cashback by accident. You earn it by setting things up before you shop. So to wrap it up, use the right card, activate cashback apps, check Walmart offers, and always compare deals before checkout. If this helped you understand how to actually save money, like the video, leave a comment with your biggest question, and subscribe for more simple money-saving guides.